Today, we shall talk about how to cook rack of a lamb. Marinate the rack of the lamb with kiwi and rosemary. Now spice for about 5 hours on a hot griddle and pour in olive oil. Peel the meat marinade and add the objects to the nice hot pan containing oil. Lay out the meat on the plate after it is cooked enough. We'll have baked potatoes as a side dish. A little sprinkling for some coloring for the public week color. Add a bit of salting. Now garnish with rosemary. In this kind of meat, we of course add a glass of red Bon Appetit and is taken to convey all the love. Lucky someone.